Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1 and my first question is, what is your favorite animal and why?
My favorite pet is Persian cat. Uh, I feel fear from pets and animals, uh, but I like Persian cat.
Okay, that's good. Now listen, you need to organize your answer, right? For example, what's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is cat, and specifically I like Persian cats very much. Although I don't have this cat in my house, but one of my friends, she has it. It's quite fluffy and quite nice, so therefore I like Persian cats very much. See that? I mean, tackle this. Even if you don't have any pet, you can tackle the question and 4-5 good sentences will answer. Let's go on. What is the most popular animal in your country? Not the politicians, okay? So, what is the most popular animal in your country?
I think so. Dog is a very popular animal in my country. Most of the people have dog in their houses for their safety purpose, and I think so. Dog is the
Yeah, so I think so. You can only say I think so if I say something, then you say I think so. So means the way you think. Otherwise, simply say I think dog is one of the most common animals. People keep it as a pet, and you can find some stray dogs in the street as well. Stray dog, you know? Avara, yeah, exactly. That's right. Good. Have you ever had a pet in your house?
I already told you I feel fear from the.
I am afraid of.
I am afraid of pets, so that's why I have no pet in my house. One of my cousins have a pet.
One of my cousins
One of my cousins have a pet.
has a pet.
Has a pet. Most of my time I spend in my cousin's home.
With the pet. So
Yes.
अपना क्यों नहीं ले आती घर में फिर? हाँ, you said you're afraid of pets. Okay, that's good. So again, I would say organize your answer. When I say organize your answer, one thing, second thing, third thing, and conclusion, right? Let's go on. Where do you prefer to keep your pet? Indoors or outdoors?
I prefer to keep the pet out of the door.
Outdoor.
Yes.
Why?
Because I feel fear, and I think so they are not hygienic, so that's why I prefer to
Yeah, I prefer to keep the pet outdoors. This is very good. Just focus your fluency, 4-5 quick sentences, and then you can answer, right? All right, your turn, please. You can turn this mic. The topic is headphones, as we use headphones. So, how often do you use headphones?
Well, I scarcely use headphones. I do prefer headphones to listen music and some audio books and the things like when we are in public places, then I use the headphones.
Okay, this is very good. So, just fluency and proper way to organize. So at the end you can say, therefore, most of the time when I am at public place, then I use headphones. Otherwise, I usually avoid using headphones. Variety of words, variety of sentences, and all that. Okay, let's go on. What type of headphones do you use?
I usually use the headphones when they are like hands-free. And I use headphones mainly in the crowded places.
No. What kind of headphones? Bluetooth, right? Wired headphones or what?
Wireless.
So, what type of headphones do you use? I usually use
Wireless headphones. Nowadays I use the Sony headphones. I bought it from the Instagram online, and it's very handy to me.
Okay, it's very handy to me, so I usually use wireless headphones, right? Let's go on. When would you like to use headphones?
As I said earlier, I usually use the headphones mainly in the crowded places, and on the other hand, I I do not prefer to use the headphones while we are driving the cars. It is very diverting our attention.
It diverts our attention. Okay, so when you are at a crowded place, you should not use headphone. Be careful. Pickpocket will pick your pocket. Let's go on. In what conditions you will not use headphones?
As I said before, I mainly use headphones.
This is a lot of repetition. If you're going to talk about crowded place again, if you're going to talk about repetition, now listen, they will ask you 4 to 5 questions and sometimes the questions are similar. So you're not going to say, Hune dassya te hai tenu. Not like that, okay? So you're going to answer in a different way. Same question, if you think it's the same question, but don't worry, don't tell the examiner that you're asking me the same thing. You can say, as I mentioned before, but I would advise you then come up with something new. For example, the question is, in what conditions you will not use headphones? Well, most of the time, if I am doing something where I need to pay full attention, I would not like to use headphones. On the other hand, if I'm walking on the road, in that condition also, I will avoid using headphones. And if I'm driving myself, then I will never take the risk of using headphones. Right? It's just not because I'm a teacher, because I'm thinking. Imagination. You understand? Imagination. Just imagine कि कहाँ पे headphone नहीं लगाना. You will be clear. आप वहीं पे लगाते हैं जहाँ पे नहीं लगाना होता. But anyways, you can imagine and then you can answer. Okay? So organize your answer. 4-5 quick sentences and do not repeat the same ideas, same words in every answer again and again. Right? Okay. Thank you.